Hi everybody, this is Christine from the Crafters Outpost, and my flowers are it's been raining a lot so they don't look that great, but these are the colors that I used in the paper making that I'm getting ready to show you. The ink or the color, whatever you want to call it, that I got out of it. I mixed all these flowers together. There's yellow, red, pink, and purple. And as you will see in the process of me dyeing my papers, they turned out green. So I'm not understanding that, but next time I'm just going to try one of just one color and not mix them together. Maybe mixing them together made them turn out green. I don't know, but you're going to see here in the video. Stay tuned. Now, as you can see, it turned out to be a very deep purple. Let me see if I can get my lighting better in here. Okay, well anyway, so as you can see, it's very purple. I had a lot of purple flowers in this batch. So we are just going to place some papers in the bottom of here in this I just buy those aluminum pans that you roast meat in, and then when they get good and used, you can always throw them away and get some more. But let's just see how this is going to turn out with this beautiful purple color. And so you don't really have to buy food dyes, or nature gives you everything you need. And this is a really pretty purple. So, and I just usually take a sponge, one of those, you can get them at the sponge docks, but you can use them to bathe with or whatever, but they're just a bath sponge. And I like to just press my my ink in there and then just layer it. And then what I do is I like to use different things to give me texture. So I have quite a few things over here that I try to add to it, and then it gives my paper the texture that I need without having to stencil and do all that extra stuff. So I'm gonna pour a little bit more on here. And the good thing about this sponge is that when you have a lot extra left over, you can always use, soak it up and use whatever you have left, which makes it really nice. So for instance, like when you just take your pan and you pour it upward, and then you'll see all this extra juice there, and then it keeps you from wasting your coffee and your all that stuff that is very expensive to use. But flowers are basically free. You just go out in your yard and pull them, and you can make all kinds of neat stuff. I made some yellow yesterday from some yellow flowers, and which turned out really nice. And so there's just got to give it a try and do some different techniques and see what you like. And so this is how you can get free ink to dye your papers, is just by using flowers. And then once these dry, I will show you the outcome. So I left this to soak for a few minutes, and when I came back in, some of the papers actually had turned kind of like a green color. So I think what's happening is, and I haven't got down to the actual beginning of the papers yet, but I just wanted to show this green, which is absolutely beautiful. But I think what happens is when I use my sponge, which is right here, and I don't clean it for a while, all this had coffee dye in it and all kinds of colors, and a lot of times I don't mind not cleaning it because I get surprised by some unique colors. But I decided to go ahead and wash it and get them cleaned up. And this little is a neat kind of thing you can do to hang your stuff on. There's this hanger with these clothes hangers. Thought it was a nice little idea. But once those dry, then they won't have all the colors in it that I had been lazy and not washing things out. But again, sometimes I like the different colors from the colors that's left in the sponges. But I just wanted to show you this really nice green. I'm going to let these dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back and get to the bottom of this pan where I started with purple. So we'll see. Okay guys, so here is the end product of the purple flowers. So I'm not really sure what happened there. I'm not a color expert, but I love the lime. Doesn't look really pretty on camera, but it is a beautiful, beautiful lime. I'm trying to get into the light here, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I really don't have any green or light lime papers, and it's just not. Let me turn this light on. Oh, okay, now maybe we can see it better. It's still coming out very dark on the video to me, but this is a very light lime. But I'm really happy with the color that it turned out to be. There was no purple, so I don't know what happened there, but they turned out really nice, and I'm very, very happy with it. So next time will pick all those colors, and this is how I can get my green. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope I gave you some new ideas. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.